In this video, we will explore the technical specifications and operation of the Yaskawa A1000 AC BFD drive. Welcome to Inside Control System YouTube channel. Device overview. The Yaskawa A1000 Series is a premium, high-performance industrial vector control AC drive designed to control induction and permanent magnet motors. Voltage class. The drive is designed for use with three-phase power systems and is available in multiple voltage classes, including 200 to 240 volts, 380 to 480 volts, and 500 to 600 volts AC, ensuring compatibility with various industrial and building applications. Power range. The drive is designed to support motors ranging from minimum 0.75 kilowatts to maximum 630 kilowatts, depending on the voltage class. Duty rating. The drive supports two ratings, normal duty and heavy duty. Both have different output current ratings. Set the duty mode in accordance with the application. Enclosure type. Two types of enclosures are offered for A1000 drives. IP00 enclosure models are designed for installation in an enclosure panel that serves to protect personnel from injury caused by accidentally touching live parts. IP20NEMA1 UL Type 1 enclosure models mount to an indoor wall or in an enclosure panel. The dimensions and weight of the drive depend on the specific model. This table provides the dimensions and weight for different drive models. Warranty period. This drive is warranted for 12 months from the date of delivery to the customer or 18 months from the date of shipment from the Yaskawa factory. Drive model identification. The first four letters, CIRM, indicate the drive code name. The next letter, A, represents the A1000 series. The following letter, D, indicates the region code. The next digit, 4, defines the voltage class. The next letter, A, specifies the customized configuration. The following four digits, 0044, represent the motor power rating. The next letter, F, indicates the enclosure type. The next letter, M, indicates the environmental specification. The final letter A represents the design revision version. KEYPAD functions overview. Use the digital operator to enter run and stop commands, display data, edit parameters, as well as display fault and alarm information. The text displayed on the digital operator appears as shown in this image. This is escape key functions. Returns to the previous display, moves the cursor one space to the left. Pressing and holding this button will return to the frequency reference display. This is reset key. Functions, moves the cursor to the right, resets the drive to clear a fault situation. This is run key. It starts the drive in the local mode. This is up arrow key. Functions, scrolls up to display the next item, selects parameter numbers, increments setting values. This is down arrow key. Functions, scrolls down to display the previous item, selects parameter numbers, decrements setting values. This is stop key. It stops the drive operation. This is enter key. Functions, enters parameter values and settings, and selects a menu item to move between displays. This is local or remote selection key. Switches the drive between operator, local control, and control circuit terminals, remote. This is type B USB port. The drive can connect to the USB port of a PC using a USB 2.0 AB type cable. Drive Wizard Plus can then be used to monitor drive performance and manage parameter settings. LED and screen displays. This is Run LED. It indicates the operating status of the drive. LED is on. The drive is operating the motor. LED is flashing slow. The drive is decelerating to stop, or the frequency reference is 0. LED flashing fast. The drive is disabled by a digital input, stopped by a fast stop command, or a run command was active during power-up. This is local or remote LED, shows the control mode of the drive. LED is on, drive is operating in local mode. LED is off, drive is operating in remote mode. This is alarm LED, indicates fault and alarm conditions. LED is on. When the drive detects an alarm or error, LED is flashing. An alarm has occurred and is detected by the operator. LED is off, normal state, no fault or alarm. This is frequency output. LED displays the output frequency of the drive. This is drive LED, indicates the current operating mode. LED is on, drive mode is active. LED is off, programming mode is active. This is reverse. LED indicates motor rotation direction. LED is on, motor is running in reverse direction. LED is off, motor is running in forward direction. The LED operator option provides an enhanced drive user interface that can operate the Yaskawa drive at a short distance up to 3 meters. Terminal cover. Loosen the terminal cover screw using a screwdriver. Screw sizes vary by drive model. Push in on the tab located on the bottom of the terminal cover and gently pull forward to remove the terminal cover. Power lines and signal wiring should pass through the opening provided. Reattach the terminal cover after completing the wiring to the drive and other devices. Control circuit terminal block. Input terminals. Terminals S1 to S8 and SC are multifunction digital inputs. Terminals H1 and H2 are safe disable inputs. Terminal HC is the common terminal for the safe disable function. Terminal RP is a multifunction pulse train input. Terminals plus V and minus V provide power supply for analog inputs. Terminals A1, A2, A3, and AC are used for analog inputs or pulse train input. Terminal EG is the ground for shielded cables and option cards. Output terminals. Terminals MA, MB, MC are fault relay outputs. Terminals M1 and M2 are multifunction digital outputs. Terminals P1, P2, and PC are multifunction photocoupler outputs. Terminals MP, FM, AM, and AC are monitor outputs. Terminals DM plus and DM minus are safety monitor outputs. Serial communication terminals. Terminals R plus, R minus, S plus, S minus, and IG are used for MMOBus/Modbus communication. Main power terminal blocks. Terminals L1, L2, L3 are the main power supply inputs for the drive. Terminals +1, +2, and minus are used for DC reactor connection. Remove the shorting bar between +1 and +2 before use. Terminals B1 and B2 are used to connect a braking resistor or braking unit. Terminals T1, T2, T3 are the drive output terminals connected to the motor. The grounding terminal is used for proper earthing of the drive. This is jumper S3 port. Set jumper S3 to select between syncing or sourcing mode and internal or external power supply. This jumper setting selects sync mode, 0 volt common, using the internal power supply. This jumper setting selects source mode, plus 24 volt common, using the internal power supply. This jumper setting allows sync or source mode when using an external power supply. Installation environment. Installation area is indoors, in cabinet with cutout for external heatsink mounting to achieve protection class IP54. Ambient temperature is -10 to +50 degrees Celsius. Humidity is 95% RH and free of condensation. Storage temperature is -20 to +60 degrees Celsius. Altitude is 1,000 meters, up to 3,000 meters with D rating. Vibration, 10 to 20 Hz at 9.8 meters per second squared, 20 to 55 Hz at 5.9 meters per second squared. Orientation, install the drive vertically to maintain maximum cooling effects. Surrounding area, install the drive in an area free from oil, mist and dust, metal shavings, oil, water or other foreign materials, radioactive materials, combustible materials, for example wood, harmful gases and liquids, excessive vibration, chlorides, direct sunlight. Common applications. The A1000 is used across various industries for fans, pumps, compressors, conveyors, material transport systems, cranes, hoists, extruders, packaging, labeling, and machine tooling. I hope this video has covered most of the key technical specifications. For more detailed information, please visit our blog and website. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.